Hello everyone, welcome back. If we got a wallpaper limit reach error on your iPhone when we try to add a new wallpaper, then do the following step. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and also check the software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If both of things are correct, then we have to check the custom wallpaper limit, because every iPhone user have only 200 custom lock screen wallpapers limited on your iPhone. If you reach a 200 custom wallpaper limit, then you need to be delete the previous one, then you are able to add a new one. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.